Hello and welcome back to Budget Noob. Today we're going to be making the categories of the daily expenditures. These are daily activities, things that you get receipts for. So don't worry about your recurring month to month expenditures. Go for your things like groceries, hygiene, office supplies, clothes, tools, cigarettes, Uber and gas, eating out. You want to be honest with yourself about what you spend your money on, so if it takes a few days to look at receipts and see where your money is going, um, then I definitely recommend getting a full picture of what you're actually spending money on a daily basis. Notice that I didn't worry about overlap when typing because I can change it with these boxes at the top. I can change the box all the way out on the left too, which you'll see in a moment. And I can also center and create a backdrop or color to kind of separate and create some borders and clarify this to kind of make it better. Ultimately, this is going to be your first step in taking a real honest look at what you're spending your money on so that you can create a budget to realize how much you spend and in what categories. Because ultimately, the goal here, as you always hear, is to spend less than you make. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey of creating a new spreadsheet so that we can take advantage and responsibility of money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll keep pushing out more content.